Hey sassy friends, it's me, Melissa Haole, and today I wanted to share with you the fall collection for Color Street on real hands. But before I do that, I also want to mention something else that I think is really exciting for you guys, which is I'm offering a pre-order right now. Pre-order? Now, what does that mean? Okay, so basically, whenever we have a launch, our system gets crazy because not only are shoppers like you trying to order from the system, but all of us stylists are as well. And we don't know what time the launch will be at, we only have the date. So if you're someone who's maybe working during the launch, or you just don't want to sit in front of your computer hitting refresh all day, well, put me to work, guys. That's what I'm here for. So that's why I started the pre-order. So if you'd like to do a pre-order, all you need to do is go to fall.sassygirlnails.com and fill out the form. And then I'll send you all the information via email where you can go and pick out the sets that you want. I'll send you an invoice, get everything set up, and then come Tuesday, I will be there working for you. I'll be placing orders in the order that I receive them from you guys, so make sure you don't delay. And if for some reason by the time I get to your order, the sets that you requested are no longer available, I'll just go ahead and grab the ones that are available, and then as Color Street does restocks, grab the rest to fulfill your order. So, are you ready to see the fall collection on real hands? All right, let's do it. All right, guys, what do you think? Which is your favorites? Comment below and let us know. Also, I just want to thank you so much for watching this video and being part of our community. And if you're not already a subscriber, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon too so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Have a great day, guys. Bye.